Hi friends, I have paper clutter. You have paper clutter. We have paper clutter. Behind me could be plant clutter. I don't know. Is it clutter if it's plants?
Yes, Libby, it is still clutter even if it's plants.
Probably. My desk is atrocious. Once again, I don't know how we let her get this bad. And yes, I'm clumping you in there with me. No, I'm just kidding. It's all on me, okay? I have failed all of my systems that I have set over here at this desk. And as you can tell, I have not been sitting at her and working at her, which just makes me extremely sad. So let's fix that today. There are also two things that are going to be true throughout this video. First off, you're not going to be seeing the papers I sort because I'm trash at covering my address. I'm sorry, I'll tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it. The second, I'm in my pajamas, so you should grab your pajamas too. I guess there's three things I want to say. The third, I'm pretty chatty today. Even though I did a full live for 3.5 hours, go watch that. It was really fun if you need some body doubling, okay? And yet here I am, still in a chatty mood. So be prepared to chit chat a lot while we're doing this. I think this is the angle you get me for the rest of the time so I don't accidentally show you things that you're not supposed to see. Step 1, clear off all the non-essential junk. And this one's got new babies. Look at those little guys. I don't know what to do with these two. I have 5 Monsteras. I don't need 5 Monsteras. If anybody wants me to ship them a Monstera, they're thriving. Perfect. This is going well already. This is really broken. It doesn't hold anything anymore. Why am I holding on to it? I don't know. Needs to go. And this is what we're left over with. From basically here over. This is still kind of non-essential, but you get the gist. Now that step 1 is mostly over, I'm overwhelmed already, so I don't even know what step 2 is. Let's get all of the trash out of the way. That's going to be helpful. Trash. I feel like I breathe so heavily into this thing when I have it on. I'm like, does anybody else take all of their stuff out of the envelopes, or is that just a me problem? It's okay if it's just me. I am not even sorting the mail currently. All I'm doing is getting the trash, and the mail is just going to its own pile. In my defense, this light was buried under things. And I'm so sorry I forgot to plug your guys' light back in.
Wow, over here dying. Give me back my light.
You're all thriving without it, okay? I don't need to hear it from the peanut gallery back there.
Mother, we need light.
They're dramatic. Okay. So is my phone. That just yeeted off completely. Some of this mail I should have been a little more lickety-split on. My bad. Ooh, I tore these in half. That means I went through them. Good job past me. Oh god, those look important, and I don't want to deal with important right now. The child's artwork is always my downfall. And he just brought home end-of-year projects. Luckily, they're not as, I guess crazy, if that makes sense. So I don't need to, keep every single one, you know what I mean? We have found the color of my desk. It is still chipped paint black, if you were wondering. All right, we've got a decent amount of paper trash here. I will be shredding most of this, though. So I should go drop them off at the shredders or take them to work and shred them. But what pile do I put it in? Okay, pile for trash. Got it. Notebooks, my dear. You need to go where the notebooks go. Neither of you are being used currently, right? I don't think I had anything started in these. It was my other two. I did, however, find this, and it's really fun. Watch. But see? It's only Jack on one side, pumpkin on the other. Next thing I did is I pulled from my bottom basket. These baskets used to have meaning. Now they don't, so we're going to re-give them meaning. While I'm doing this, I want to talk to you guys about why I think paper clutter is so challenging and it's hard to get a system around. You ready? Ready for my groundbreaking opinion? Because it's very easy to do out of sight, out of mind with paper clutter. It's very easy to stack it in a pile and never really think about it again. I think that's why, especially us ADHDers, really struggle with paper. And I guess there's really no sense of urgency with paper, I guess, in my mind. There's really nothing that unless it's a certain type of mail, which we've all, well, I don't know if we've all, but I've definitely had that kind of mail. And it's just very easy to be like, well, let's put this in this pile and I won't deal with it. And it's easy to set it and forget it. At least that's my issue. So far it's trash and important are my two piles. Oh, okay. Oh, well, now look at that. That's terrible. The bins used to be sort and done. That is what I will still have them as. The top one I put in there as soon as I get it out of the mailbox. I sort it, which means I put it in there, and it's done. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone else, but it works in my brain, and I think that's the key to anything you're organizing. If it works in your brain, it doesn't have to make sense to everybody else. I think we've talked about this quite a bit. I'm so sick of advertisements, though. Golly. So many of them. Right now, I am not going with important, least important, or opening anything. I'm literally just, this is mail, needs to be here. This is not mail that needs to be here. I've sorted through all of the paper on the desk so far, and this has taken me, with me yapping, it's taken me 20 minutes. And I've been procrastinating this for much longer than that. Okay, this is the actual stack of what I need to go through and see what actually needs to be kept or tossed. So give me a second on this one. While I'm doing this, I already told you why I think paper clutter is one of the more difficult things for us. Can I tell you why I've had so many systems set in place and why so many of them fail? Who are you and what do you want from me? Dumb. Dear God, what was I saying? Why I think all the systems I've put in place don't work for like long-term management. Because I don't quite understand how my brain works around paper clutter. I don't necessarily know what would make it easier for me. I think it's just easier for me to like set it and forget it. And this is what got us into this situation. So here's some things that I have found that actually do help me. The baskets. I know it doesn't seem like it because I let them get out of hand, but the baskets actually really help because it's a very visual cue of like, okay, the top stuff is stuff I still have to sort through and the bottom stuff is done. That done one kind of seems very open-ended, which can get me in trouble, but it's a visual cue. So visual cues really help me quite a bit in that aspect. If I know that it's junk and I don't need it, I will separate it as I'm walking up the stairs and I will put the stuff that I know I can just immediately recycle. I will go walk it to the recycle bin. That helps me actually quite a bit. I think the thing that has helped me the most though, just diminish the amount coming in anyways. I sign up for basically everything, paper-free billing. I don't have a lot of stuff coming in most of the time. Like I could go 3 to 4 days without any mail. That again, I still get obviously quite a bit of mail or I wouldn't be currently going through this stuff, right? Right. There are a lot of systems out there though that you can try and they might help you because everybody functions differently. So trying different systems and seeing what works best for you. So my piles currently are important but needs to be filed away and tax and then trash. Okay, I'll save those two very helpful things. What are some things that help you guys with your paper clutter? I am behind on 2 of my not pen pal, they're, what do they call those? Paper clubs? Whatever you call it. I'm behind on 2 of those. I'm so overstimulated right now. There's loud music outside, which is fine, whatever. It is past 10 o'clock, but I'm not going to be a Karen about it. And then my neighbor is being super loud. And I'm just over here like, ah. The mail can be a little triggering. I don't know if anybody really talks about that. Should we talk about that? I get triggered by the mail. If I see certain letterheads in the mail, if I see certain like sizes of documents, I genuinely will be triggered by it because of like issues with things in the past, and I think that can be kind of a reason why I don't like to go through the mail as much, because it's not fun. It's always something, and it's always something that is heavy, you know, heavy, heavy, heavy. So if you're triggered by the mail, like I am, just know you're not alone. Wow, I don't think I actually ever put 2 and 2 together why I procrastinate going through mail so much. I guess we know now. This is how much we have to get rid of. This needs to be filed in a manila folder. This is stuff that just needs to be kept for records. And this is tax information. That's all. That's it. I don't really have to keep much. Not bad. Not bad at all. And here we have it, folks. Look at how beautiful it looks. So much cleaner, and that's literally the only mail that's in there. I will say, though, the 2 things I've learned about myself tonight are that I've gotten a lot better at going through things. That took me 30 whole minutes, I believe, because I got distracted and I like to talk a lot too. And also, I am much quicker with my decisions of what to keep and what not to keep. That just comes with time, friends. Just keep decluttering, keep building those muscles, and do what works best for you. There's tons of systems out there, and I find it best to take bits and pieces of it and make it completely your own. These bins right here might drive people nuts, but it's a good visual cue for me. And also, those bins can't hold a lot, and it falls over pretty quickly, so I have to keep them fairly empty, or that's when the clutter goes onto my desk. Yeah, and it just kind of helps me realize, like, okay, it's time for me to get rid of all of that. So I hope this video motivated you to either get rid of some of your paper clutter or start decluttering something else along with me while I was jibber-jabbering and going through things. So another spot clean again. I will sigh a deep breath of relief when I walk in here tomorrow after work and just pat myself on the back. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Wait, what about our light?
You forgot to give us our light.
Guys, we do have the sun. Don't be so dramatic. Nobody asked you.
Speak for yourself.
Ugh, as if. Rude.